Welcome to the 25 Live tutorial. 25 Live will be replacing Resource 25 in your MyMSNU account. This application will be listed under Your Apps. You do need your username and your password to log in. Please make sure not to put in your full email address. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll notice you have many different ways to create an event. You can do a quick search. You can do a search by location or time. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and create a new event. But take a look on the right-hand side. You have some starred events, starred locations, and starred resources. But we'll go into that in more detail. Go ahead and click on Create an Event. Anything that you see with red asterisks does need to be filled out. So go ahead and give yourself an event name. Under event type, you want to choose the closely related event to your type. For this one, we'll choose meeting. Don't forget to fill out the primary organization. Also, anywhere that you see stars, you can go ahead and click the star. This will add it to your favorites on your home page. And click Next. On this page, you'll need to let us know how many attendees you're expecting. Under event description, you can write a little something about your event. Just make sure your grammar and your punctuation is correct, as everybody in 25 Live can see this section. Once you fill that out, you want to press Next at the bottom of the page. Here, you'll let us know if it's a reoccurring event or a one-time event. Go ahead and click your option, and you'll be able to pick your time and your date of your event. Don't forget to answer the additional questions at the bottom of the page and press Next. On this page, you'll be able to find your location. Depending on the amount of attendees, your date and your time, a list will pop up. Go ahead and click on the room you'd like and you'll see it show up on the right-hand side. Clicking on the name of the room will give you the specs of the room. Here, you will see that there's a few layouts that you can look at, the features of the room, or any additional comments. Once you've checked out the specs of the room, go ahead and click on the event wizard up at the top. You can also choose different layout if you'd like. Or you can add any kind of setup instructions. Go ahead and click Next once you're done. On this page, you'll find your resource for your event. You can either type in the name of the resource, or you can do an advanced search. Once you find the resource you're looking for, if you click on it, it'll show up on the right-hand side. Please keep in mind you can also star these resources. Once you find all your resources that you need for your event, go ahead and click on Next at the bottom of the page. On this page, you can attach any kind of file, such as an event setup. If you click on the right-hand side, you'll see the layout for it. Once you've completed the layout, go ahead and download it to your computer and select the file, and then press Next. Here, you'll let us know if you have any outside guests, if they need catering or group Wi-Fi. Please refer to the right-hand side for Bon Appetit, is where you can make your request for catering. And if your event does request group Wi-Fi, this form does need to be filled out and submitted in order to grant that access. Once you've completed the questions, go ahead and press on Next. Here, you're just going to leave everything as is and just press Next. On this page, you're going to pick the category that's closest related to your event. If there were any calendars, it would show up here. So go ahead and press Next. Here you can add any additional comments for Lisa or Cynthia, and once you've completed that, go ahead and press save. As you see on the top of the page, you're being notified that your event was successfully submitted. Here you can just look through your event to make sure everything's correct and go ahead and press the close on the right hand side. You're back at the home page where you see your event has been submitted. You see your starred locations, your starred resources that we went through. Once you've successfully completed everything, don't forget to sign out. Thank you, and we hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.